What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. What are you doing? I can't make that corner without curbing my wheels. Oh, I didn't do it. Okay, so today I'm changing my oil, ripping out the wiring for the sub stuff. Yeah, but right now I'm getting coffee because that's the most important meal of the day. Just got all of my stuff out of my storage spot. So jack stands, tools. We have our oil. I use AMSOIL 550 and Royal Purple oil filter. I also got a new drain plug because last time I changed my oil, the drain plug was starting to cross thread. So I am going to change that because we don't want those problems. Okay, I'm just gonna set up everything under the car. So I've got my oil spill mat and then my little thing.
Today, Junior?
To catch the oil, I guess. I'm already filthy. Always make sure that you have the lid unscrewed in your little oil catch thing, or else it's gonna overflow. I've never had it happen before, but make sure you don't do that. I'm gonna use my new drain plug to figure out what size my current drain plug is. It's a 16, so righty tighty, lefty loosey.
What did he say?
This car is gonna be the death of me. Okay, there we go. Make sure it threads properly. You don't want to cross thread your oil pan because that's bad. We're gonna tackle the fun part of this car, which is the oil filter. Let's see if you can. Oh, you can't see it. It's right there. So if you've ever changed the oil on one of these cars, it's the worst. And as you can see, this is right here, this is right here, this is right here, and this is right here. So I literally have to maneuver pulling this out and either pulling it across and back here and out over here, or I have to wiggle it out and try to fit it out right here. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to video me doing this, but we'll see. Okay, oil filter is right there. Perfect. I probably should take my Apple Watch off if I'm doing this. Definitely, because last time I made a mess. No, Monica. Oops. I just stuck that in oil. If you would like to, you can puncture the oil filter with a screwdriver or something, but I am just gonna send it. Ow! I just hit my head on a jack stand. Some people also say to use a cup, but as you saw where this is, I can't put a cup on top of this, like over this oil filter. Where'd you learn how to do that with your hands? Mustangs.
6.5 hours later.
We're still trying to unscrew this oil filter. I should wear gloves. Come here. Now the problem is getting it out. I'm gonna go this way. There we go. We have our new oil filter. we are going to put some on the gasket as well. And then hopefully we don't spill this trying to put it back on. Maneuver this up here. Oh, I almost dropped it. And wow, I got that on the first try. That's actually shocking. So now it's time to fill with oil. My car takes 8 quarts of oil, including the filter. And then obviously make sure to check your dipstick to make sure that you get it at the right fluid level. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, it's your world. I'm just living in it. Bro. But I'm gonna check it again just so you guys can see. So as you can see, I don't know if it's focusing, but I just dripped oil on the ground. We're at the second dot, so we're good to go. And it's getting hot outside, so that's fun. But I'm still gonna pull out the wires in this thing. The landscaper just saved my ass from not having any sort of music at all. Asked me what I was doing and I told him like, oh, I took the stuff out of the back and I'm just taking this stuff out. But then he starts looking at all the wiring and he's like, there's a lot of wiring here, and like pointed a couple things out, and he's like, your factory speakers go into all of this stuff. So if you're gonna take this out, you might want to test a lot of the things to make sure that you still have a sound system when you're done with this. I was like, oh shoot, I didn't even think about that. Took the battery cable off, disconnected a few things, put the battery cable back on, no speakers. So we're not taking out